Mbarabare ya Machakos umusike wa Vinyandeti otebire emirubiri ya serikali ao ye Chikaunti Nigo era sobotutukanu na guchikorora oseberekanirwa onyeteli chikoba gekurigereriguya na barai ao.
Devolution is under threat. Muliona chairman wangu wa Council of Governors akiongea. The two governments are distinct. Kuna national government, kuna county governments. Na hakuna kitu kibaya kama sisi ni magavana. Tuna lead counties zetu. Tunaambiwa whether you like it or not, we are going to do it. Life is not like that. Hii dunia ni watu kuongea na kusemezana. You cannot force things down the throat of people, not even your own children. I can say we are not happy as the Council of Governors. And we are going to come out very clearly now. We will talk. Hatukutakubali kusukumiwa vitu. Tunaambiwa wanajaribu kusema corruption. Sasa wametoa corruption kwa national government. Now my governors ndio wanasukumiwa corruption. Governors ni corrupt. Governors ni corrupt. We are not going to naambia tena tumia maneno ya procurement plan. Hiyo procurement system yao. You know your dons. You know very well. With a system, you must first try it out, isn't it? And if it works, because you run it parallel with the old system. And if it works, then you change over to the new system, leaving the other system as a backup. Kuna mambo mengi, there are so many functions. Zile ziko suppose kukua kwa county, bado ziko kwa national government. Agriculture is devolved. Why would fertilizer be bought from the national government? Markets are devolved. Why would markets be built by the national government? And at the end of the day, they have to come to us to show them the land where they are going to build the markets. And after, they don't want even to give the governors the money. They want to spend the money themselves. But we show them where they are going to, mali wataenda kujenga soko. Wa Kenya, sincerely speaking, it is high time we woke up and just spoke the truth and told